Alright, I got a Kia Soul 2016 and this mirror kept falling off. What they did is they put a star driver screw in there for some reason instead of using like a Phillips or something, who knows why. And on the bottom of the screw is a point, and the point never went into the metal clip here. It always just glided. Instead of having a nice flat surface, it has this metal point, which is ridiculous. Well, after about the 8th time of it falling off, it finally snapped this little edge that holds it in, and this little piece. And while this mirror, this OEM mirror, it's generic, it's just got the day and night switch here. It cost $100 new, and that's eBay price, and then $45 if you bought a used one, which is ridiculous. So I went and looked at O'Reilly's, and they had these fit system mirrors. This is a 10-inch and this is an 8-inch, and I wasn't sure which one, so I bought both. This 10-inch is the one that matches the Kia Soul 2016, and if you have one of these, you know what I'm talking about. I'm sure this mirror falls off on yours too as well. But for about $16.99, I got this new mirror, and I'll show you what it looks like in the car. It's really easy to install, and you don't have to worry about buying the OEM one for $100. That's just going to fall off again. So I'll be returning this one, but I got this one. I'm using this 10-inch wide one. Okay, so here's the new mirror, $16 at O'Reilly's AutoZone Discount Auto. As I said, the original would have cost me $100, $45 if I went on eBay and bought an old used one. Here's the original, and there's the new one. They're almost the same size. I think they are the same size as far as width-wise. The original is a little wide, thicker, up and down. But this works just fine. I can see the entire back of the car. So if you have to replace your mirror, don't go with the OEM, just get a generic one. This has got the day and night lever here too as well, just like the original. Now this is a dumbed down mirror. It doesn't have the buttons or anything, but I don't have buttons on this car, so it doesn't really matter. This one's a lot more stable than the OEM. I wouldn't think about buying the OEM one at this point. One thing about these fit system mirrors that I want to warn you about is when you have it in night mode, it tends to vibrate if the car vibrates a little. It seems to happen only in night mode. If you put it back to day mode, it's fine. I don't think it'll be noticeable as much at night, but I just want you to let you be aware that if you have that problem, you probably just have to switch it to day mode, and it won't vibrate up and down as much. I think it's inside the mirror. It's actually not the bracket doing it, but it's in the mirror, because when you switch this lever, it moves the mirror up and down to get away from the silver coating. And I think most mirrors do that actually, but these fit system mirrors seem to do it more than the OEM, I think. I was going to buy a different brand, but I was reading other people's comments on even different brands that they had problems. So that might be something you might want to check if you get one of these mirrors. Make sure that you're compatible with the vibrations at night if you use it. I'm going to keep this one, I think, because there's no others that I could tell. The only other ones that might be good are Dorman. They're $25. Even those they got complaints about, but that's a good brand, Dorman.